Is it true that women need to eat less and exercise more to stay healthy? Well, the answer might surprise you. You see, there's a common myth floating around that to maintain good health, women should be eating less and sweating it out more, but that's not necessarily true. Health isn't about deprivation, it's about balance. Now don't get me wrong, regular physical activity is essential, but it doesn't mean you need to run a marathon every day. It's about consistent, moderate exercise that suits your body type, age, and lifestyle. And nutrition? It's not about eating less. It's about eating right. Consuming a balanced diet with adequate calories is vital. Remember, everyone is unique. Our dietary and exercise needs vary greatly based on our body type, age, lifestyle, and overall health. So it's crucial to understand your body and nourish it appropriately. So it turns out it's not about eating less, but eating right and staying active that truly matters. Now that we've debunked the myth, let's delve into the world of nutrition and understand its role in women's health. Nutrition is not just about counting calories or following the latest diet trends, it's about fueling your body with what it needs to function at its best. A balanced diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats is essential. These foods provide the nutrients our bodies need to maintain energy, support brain function, and keep our immune systems strong. Equally important are vitamins and minerals, particularly iron and calcium. Iron helps our bodies produce red blood cells, while calcium keeps our bones strong and healthy. Women, especially, need to ensure they're getting enough of these crucial nutrients, as they are at a higher risk of iron deficiency, anemia, and osteoporosis. But remember, nutrition is not a one-size-fits-all solution. It's about finding what works best for your body and your lifestyle. Remember, a well-rounded diet is your ticket to good health and well-being. Nutrition is just one piece of the puzzle. Let's turn our attention to sports and body care now. Regular physical activity is not merely about maintaining an ideal figure. It's about keeping your heart healthy, boosting your mood, and reducing stress. Whether it's dancing, yoga, or a brisk walk in the park, find what you love and make it a habit. But let's not forget body care. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Your body needs water to function properly, and your skin needs it to stay radiant. Also, remember the power of a good night's sleep. It's during these quiet hours that your body repairs itself, leaving you refreshed and ready to conquer the day. And lastly, make self-care a priority. Whether it's a relaxing bath or reading a good book, take time for you. So to sum up, a combination of good nutrition, regular sports or physical activity, and proper body care is the secret to optimal women's health.